Hi Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 5th of November. I had to take a break, Scorpio. No, I'm joking, I just had to take a break, okay? But I'm back stronger than ever in telling you, okay? Anyway, Scorpio, I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Scorpio, your channel message is the 5 of Cups. So I don't know what is disappointing you or what are you going to stumble upon that is going to put you in a 5 of Cups, 6 of Cups, 7 of Cups energy. Nevertheless, we are doing your soulmate tarot spread. Scorpio, the dead card. The one day I don't show up for work, Quincy Jones dies. What the fuck? What the fuck? So Quincy Jones died yesterday. I tell you, this is why the devil wanted me to show up for work. Because apparently, sometimes they do magic for young people, so you have to show up for work so that it extends the life for other people. This is crazy. Okay, I was also getting something about probing. You're getting probed. I get probing in your sleep. No, I'm not lie, when I hear the word probing, Scorpio, I always picture a ball of light going around your head. When me hear the word, somebody saying, oh, you get probed, them a probe you. Usually that's alien encounter, but also I always get a picture of a light, a bright light, just a circle in the air or somewhere outside. I don't know if this is what you're seeing. Yeah, but I'm getting something about probing, all right? So we're going to go ahead in your soulmate spread, just 6 cards. Ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. So Scorpio, we're gonna try to see who is your soulmate. If it's not, what do you call it, Libra? No, if it's not Taurus, because Taurus is the opposite, so I expect Taurus to be your, you know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Let's go. Who is your soulmate, Scorpio? We have the Wheel of Fortune. I'm getting you don't know, neither the fuck I don't know either. I'm getting the Wheel of Fortune. I'm getting it among 4 people. It could be a Scorpio, Taurus, or Leo, Aquarius. Ooh, I don't know if you just saw that one flipped out. So your person is a Leo. But I'm getting a person stressed out right now. I don't know what this, maybe almost hearing this morning somebody saying that when you left, them life went down, or somebody I said, I feel like someone's so upset with you, Scorpio, when you left. Maybe that's where the 5 of Cups is coming from. I'm getting you left and getting somebody's whole life come crashing down, literally. Job stop, work stop. I don't know if you were somebody's lucky unicorn, but me getting everything is stopped for them and them life did mash up no blood clot, mash up like mine. So I'm getting something about a fire sign. So I'm getting you have met your soulmate already. You probably was in a relationship with them, but they lost you. Let's see how will you meet your soulmate or how you meet them if you met them already. The star card, I'm getting is a celebrity. Maybe somebody had to budget, no, not budget, but them kind of have to work, attend to you, attend to fans, attend to training. I'm getting is a celebrity. It could be an Aquarius. I'm getting, it could be 4 people. Aquarius, Taurus, Leo, or Scorpio. Me getting where you meet them not online. Me getting is either you go to a concert, you patronize them. Me getting you know them in person. Is a celebrity. So me getting you are going to be with a celebrity. It's just that right now is either the celebrity don't have time for you or me getting them stressed out because they once had you and they let you go. What do you 2 of you guys have in common? The 2 of Wands. I'm getting both of y'all are very adventurous and love traveling, spending vacations, nights. Different places, different continents. I will make you a wine up on me soft. Boy, fall in love. Him will buy me a ticket to Barbados. Fall in love. Why you pretty little have me calling back? Man, fuck Ghana. Okay, let's go ahead. So you guys both like to travel, okay? What relationship did you share in the past? The Empress. Me getting you was the Empress and he was the Emperor. This lifetime he stressed out, but past lifetime you were everything you wanted and more. You were the Empress. Maybe you were this person's mother in a past life. If you wasn't their mother, you were their mentor. One more, how can you deepen the relationship? Whether is it that you come in contact already or you're going to come in contact. Deepening the relationship with the Three of Pentacles. Alright, so I'm getting your soulmate, you're never gonna work together. You wanna go in a business together? Celebrity, maybe you are gonna manage, them are gonna perform, you do the booking, I'm getting you wanna work together. Both of them is in the public eye. You came from a past life where you were in the public eye, so I don't think this is weird for you, or it's something. Me getting maybe you meet your boyfriend and girlfriend, she struggles with being famous. Cause me getting, ever since someone can remember they were famous, they were always having cameras in them face, people harassing them, like they were a celebrity. So maybe that's what's causing a strain on the relationship, either why you guys haven't come into union, or this is what's going to happen. So your person, they're an athlete, we're getting them stressed out, or they're on that tight scheduling. May I get hot now? Jeez. Or they're on that tight scheduling. Yeah, maybe somebody at the gym or workout or something. Maybe somebody, it's a model, but we're getting you to work with this person. That's your soulmate. Spirit attached. So somebody might remind you of your mother. Hope your mom's not cheating. Okay, it's cheating. We have the Hangman. We have use protection. So no babies. Both of y'all are celebrities right now. Okay, great. And the Chariot. Officer. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.